Welcome to Students Founder YouTube channel. I hope you are all fine and doing great in your lives. You are watching this video on Students Founder YouTube channel, and here on our channel you can find video description about internships, scholarships. You can get to know about jobs, you can get information about conferences and competitions that are happening all around the world. And we teach you how you all can participate in them. Or you can also visit our website Students Founder, and here you can also find information about blogs. You can get to know about notes, jobs, you can get information about scholarships, etc. So I would like to request you all to please subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated with all student related stuff. Okay, so the scholarship we are discussing today is fully funded UK Rhodes Scholarship 2021. So for the academic year 2021, Rhodes Scholarship is finally accepting the applications from all around the world. 100 scholarships are provided to international students each year at the University of Oxford. Postgraduate degrees such as master and PhD degrees can be studied under this scholarship. The Rhodes Scholarship is one of the most prestigious and oldest international scholarship program, first awarded in 1902, and it is fully funded. The Rhodes Scholarship aims to bring young people from around the world to offer fully funded postgraduate scholarships at University of Oxford. All fields and courses are available and mostly covered by Rhodes at the Oxford University. The Rhodes Scholarship, as mentioned earlier, is fully funded and it will cover all the expenses of the participants. The scholarship is completely free and no extra fee or application fee is required to apply for this scholarship. For exceptional young students who want to make some change in their lives, this scholarship is a life-changing opportunity to make a positive difference in the world. Detailed information about the program. So the scholarship country is United Kingdom. The institute is University of Oxford. The number of scholarships are 100. The financial coverage is fully funded and fee or no hidden fee. Course level is postgraduate, that is master and PhD. The deadline it differs from country to country and the duration is 2 years. So all the selected candidates will study at the University of Oxford. The application process and deadline is different for each country as mentioned earlier. So the countries which are eligible for the Rhodes Scholarship are listed below, and the total number with the scholarship slots are available. So the eligible countries for Rhodes Scholarship are Australia, and it has number of slots 9. Bermuda, it has number of slots 1. For Canada, it has also 1. China 4. East Africa 4 slots. Germany 2 slots. Hong Kong 1 slot, and so on. For Pakistan, it is 1. Saudi Arabia, it is 2. West Africa, it is 1. Zimbabwe, it is 2. You can give it a read. So coming to scholarship coverage for Rhodes. So Rhodes Scholarship fully support all the international students who study in one of the most prestigious University of Oxford at UK. It covers all the expenses of the candidates, as we already mentioned earlier that the expenses covered by Rhodes are following: the application fee, university fee, living stipend, basic living expenses, traveling expenses, economy class airfare to Oxford, and for return to home country at the end of the scholarship. So available fields of study at the Oxford University are humanities, mathematical, physical and life sciences, medical sciences, social sciences, Department for Continuing Education, etc. So Rhodes Scholarship eligibility. The main eligibility criteria of the Rhodes Scholarship is submitting relevant information of your documents of your country. The candidate must have completed his or her bachelor degree program. So to further read the detailed info and eligibility criteria, you can click on the link given here. You will find the link of this scholarship in the description below. So the deadline to apply for Rhodes Scholarship varies from country to country, but 31st July 2020 is the last day to apply for the scholarship. How to apply for Rhodes Scholarship? So for each country, the application process is also different. To check details, select your country and see the information. You can visit the official website of Rhodes Scholarship to apply. So this is the Rhodes Scholarship official link, and you can see the apply button here, the scholarship, the application overview, which scholarship and other. So you can visit this website and apply for the scholarship. Dear viewers, I hope you learned something new today and enjoyed watching this video. If you have some questions, you can ask us in the comment section below. Till then, goodbye, have a good day.